Today we're cooling things down with a summer classic, the Mint Julep. Known for its refreshing mix of bourbon, fresh mint, and a touch of sweetness, this cocktail is the ultimate summertime sipper. This is one of my wife's favorite go-to drinks whenever I have mint laying around. So in her honor, let me show you how to make it. Cheers. For this drink, you'll need bourbon, a sugar cube, a teaspoon of water, and mint leaves for muddling and garnish. And the tools you'll need for this drink are a muddler, because you'll be muddling everything in the glass, as well as a stirring spoon, because you'll be stirring everything directly into the glass. Starting with the glass, you'll want to drop in 1 sugar cube, add 1 teaspoon of water, along with 6 to 8 mint leaves. You'll want to muddle like so. What this does is it releases mint oils and combines it with sugar, and this is important to get that overall minty taste. Next, you'll want to pack the glass full of ice. As for me personally, I prefer the big ice cubes, but from a presentation standpoint, it doesn't look as impressive. Then I add my 2 ounces of bourbon whiskey. You'll want to stir everything in the glass and making sure it's all mixed together, including that muddled mint. And there you have it, the very subtle and deliciously minty Mint Julep. Cheers. Minty. This is basically a twist on an old fashioned. You're essentially replacing the bitters with mint. If you already enjoy bourbon forward drinks, you'll love this one. And on that deliciously minty note, if you enjoy this channel and more importantly, love making delicious cocktails, hit that subscribe button as I make new videos each week. Also in the comments, let me know what you think of this drink. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Would you make it again? Also in the comments, let me know what drinks I should try to make, and I'll see about getting those out in the future videos. And until next time, cheers.